Little learners, welcome back to Numeracy and Opposites. We watched a beautiful story called Opposites from Carle. Now, he was the same author that brought us The Very Hungry Caterpillar and Brown Bear, Brown Bear. So, did you notice something really interesting about his book? It opened and then it flipped up. So, one word was here, like awake. Remember, there was a picture of somebody awake? And then they flipped it up, and the opposite word and picture was on the flip up. So you're going to create a page out of the book. So all you have to do is you find a blank piece of paper. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Very easy to make. It's a paper. You're going to fold it in half, and then you're going to fold it in half again. Like you have a mini book. And then to create the flip up part, you're going to take the first piece that's folded over and you're going to cut up the seam. So you create a flip up. Just like that. Now you can create an opposite flip up book. Now to get your mind thinking, there is an opposite word sheet for you. Maybe you're going to pick your favorite one. Like day. What's opposite of day? Where would I draw my line? Would I draw it to cold? No. Day. Here, let's take a big look at this. What would be opposite of day? Let's take a look. Do you see? Day. Cold. Back. Night. Slow. Did you say night? That's right. So you're going to take your pencil, crayon, or marker on the dot day, and you're going to draw all line all the way to night. Then you're going to keep going fast. What on this side is opposite of fast? I know, slow. You're going to keep going to all the dots, and then maybe pick your favorite opposite and make it a page out of Carle's book called Opposites. Or if you can think of your own opposite word, that's good too. So here's a word, here's a picture, here's a picture, here's a word of the opposites, just like Carle's book. So let's do the first one that I liked, day. So I'm going to put the word day here, D-A, and I'm going to draw the sun, just like the picture. Oh, I might take more time to do this. You can use markers, you can use crayons, you can use pastels, you can use paints. And then on the flip up, what word am I going to write up here? What's opposite of day? Night. You got it. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to write night. And for nighttime, I might draw some stars and the moon. And I might get my black crayon out and start coloring the dark sky black. So I'm going to keep, that's a blue. Miss Hick has to find her black and her crayons. Oh, there we go. I might be coloring the page dark. So take your time and find your favorite opposite word, and you can create a flip-up page for everybody else to read as well. All right, have lots of fun creating, and I'll see you soon. Bye.